So I'm logging in as you. Let's log in. And now we're logged in. And let's follow through what we're doing here. Now, first of all, this area, elements and presets, is not used. These two areas are not used within this system. They're there for another reason, so you can't use those. But of course, you are going to use templates, pages, and posts. Let's go to all templates. I've already pre-made a test template here and a test template that you made there. So let's go to this test template. And within here, we're going to see that I've just added an element, a text element. You can add other elements if you want. Let's put a heading element in. And I'll just call it a header element, save that. I can move it above this element. I can put another row in, which I won't. I can put in another element here. Let's put an image. I can drag and drop it also into place. I don't have to click it. I can just drop it in there like that. And we'll leave that blank. Click that, delete that. And we're going to move this. We're going to copy and paste it into another template. You can either copy and paste one element or lots of elements. So let's select here. And then if I want to copy the one element, I'm going to click on it like this. And it says here, copy one element. Let's come off it. Let's select again. Let's say I want to copy two elements or all this complete block. Cover here. You can see it going yellow. 1, 2, 3. That's 4 elements. As it says here, 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I do is I click here to copy them. And over here it says copied to the clipboard. Click on this to come off it. Go back into all templates. And it's going to save this actually, otherwise it won't work. Go back into all templates. Go back into this template here. And from within this template, I want to copy it in here. Now, first of all, I'm going to insert a new block. Go into this area, right click. It says paste, click paste. This opens up. You click the element into that, paste it there, and it's inserted. There it is. Now once it's there, you can do several things with it. You can pull this up here if you want, like that. You can pull the whole block if you want to keep the whole block. So this outside block here we don't want, so let's pull this up a little bit like that. So that's made it a complete block out of this original block, and we can delete that. And of course, if we save the page, it's saved. And that's done, copied and pasted. It's exactly the same if you go into posts. Let's just go to a post. Open up this post. And let's wait for it to open. Click on this. And there's the post in that. I want to copy that post into another page. I select, copy this. That's one element. Copy it. It says copied. Click off, and let's just put it into, say, that template. And we're going to go here. Let's go into our test2 template. You can copy it into another post. You can copy it into a page, wherever you want to. So before I copy it in there, I'm going to insert a new row. I'm going to right click in it, I'm going to paste, right click, paste, and put the element in that area, and there it is in here. And of course I can move it up here if I want to. Let's take it a little bit further and move it in there and then delete that. If I want to copy it into a page or another post, it's exactly the same. I want to move it into a post, and I'll leave this and not save that. Let's say I want to copy into this post. Don't worry, I'm not going to save anything. It's all testing. So within here we have that particular post. There it is. I'm going to insert a new row, right click, paste, right click, paste, and the element will fit into there. There it is. And again, if I want to move it here, to move it underneath, I can do that. And I might want to put a spacer between them. Save that spacer, I'll put that spacer in here like that, and now I have the two elements. I'm going to back, I'm not going to save that, so there we go, we're perfectly safe with that. So there you go, that's how you copy and paste from one area to another. In terms of users, if we go to users, let's look at all users. We have two users at the moment, and they're both administrators. There's yourself, administrator, and myself. If I go to me, then under roles, I can set as administrator, or that can be changed. However, yours can't, because you're master administrator for your website. So when we go back to yourself here, and remember I am logged in as you right now up here, then you will find that you cannot change the role. However, if I log in as me as administrator, I will be able to change your role. You can't change your own privileges. So if you want to do that, the best way to do that is make a new user here and change the role to whatever you want. Maybe if I click on here like that, and I can change your role to whatever you want, administrator. So that's two ways to do it. If I want to change you to editor, then I'll do that. And look, it doesn't change. What I have to do is be logged in as me to change you. You can change me, and I can change you. So the way to do that, let me just come out of this. And let's log in as me. Okay, and let's go to users, all users. And then let's click on you. Look, we're both administrators here. Click on as you. Okay, now I have the role, administrator. I can change you, but you cannot change yourself because it's set by another administrator. If you want to do that, simply go into users, make a new user with a new user name, and assign it to whatever you want, and then you can change. If you assign a new administrator, for example, and let's just quickly do that. Let's add a new user, and let's well, actually let's log out and do it as you. Let's log out here. And log in again as yourself. And we'll just do a test user for this. So let's go to users, add new. Now this is you making a new user. Let's call the username demo. Email required, any demo at gmail.com. That's a comma, not a .com. And going to make them administrator. Let's put a password in and show the password. Make an easy one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We don't want to send it because it's not going anywhere. Add the new user. Now we have a new user here who is also an administrator. So let's log out as you. And login is demo. Demo. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, go to users. Don't want to save that. So let's go to all users. We're now logged in as demo here, and demo is administrator. But let's go to yourself, because as demo here, I can go to your profile here. And look, your profile is set as administrator. I can change you to something else, which I'm not going to, of course. So you cannot change your own privileges. It has to be another administrator that changes them. So I hope that clarifies everything. The templates are working absolutely fine when I'm logged in as you, and that's it. Thank you.